Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will talk about how to make your chrysanthemums bloom throughout the winter. And the key to that is pruning. So always prune your chrysanthemums when they are done blooming or the blooms have died. Because under these old blooms there will always be more buds, and if you don't expose them to sunlight, then the mums will not keep blooming in succession. So if you're looking at how to take care of your mums, then you can click on the link above, or you can click on the link given in the description box below to watch the video. In this episode, we will be talking about the pruning only. The aftercare of chrysanthemums will come next year perhaps. So this is the same plant in the video that you would have seen earlier, and due to incessant rain, the blooms almost look squishy, and such blooms must be taken off because this could invite more diseases. So while pruning, you can cut off the entire flower stalk till it touches the first set of leaves, or you can prune until 2 leaf nodes if there are no buds coming out of them. After pruning, make sure you have exposed the new buds to full sunlight. Now add little bit of compost or DAP, whatever you prefer, to induce blooming. I'm just using compost here. After this, water the plant and expose it to full sunlight. And in few days' time, you will see the underlying buds will start blooming, and you can keep your mums blooming in succession until we move to the summer months. Now, some of you have asked me that some buds appear but don't bloom. There could be 2 reasons for this. One is that the plant isn't getting too many nutrients, or it isn't getting too much of sunlight that is necessary for it to bloom. Or the other thing would be that you just need to remove some closed buds you see that are not blooming at all, so that the energy of the plant is spent on the other buds for it to bloom. I understand growing mums isn't very easy, but if you see a dying mum which has green stems like this, and if you scratch this stem and you see green, then probably it has a living chance. But if you see mums that are brown and dry like this and easily comes out with a nudge, then there is no chance of reviving it. So folks, to not spread misinformation, I'm taking my time with this plant, observing it carefully, etc. So hopefully we'll be able to give you some honest content on how to keep this plant blooming year after year. So with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. If you like this episode, then please like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. So until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.